Do you all want to know the most unfortunate part of this sandwich? I definitely thought I had more meat than I do. So we're going provolone. Just put some provolone down. And ham, because I don't have any other meat. I definitely thought I did, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm gonna put a lot of ham on this. This would be going on there, but I don't have any pepperoni, so. We're just gonna lay this on there like that for more meat. All right, in this bowl, I don't know if it's focused, I have 2 tablespoons of butter, a little bit of garlic, and some Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna warm it up so it gets nice and melty, and then I'll just show you. We're gonna put the lid on the sandwiches, and then when this gets nice and melty, we're gonna pour it over the top of this. The light is really atrocious, but you know, it's only so much I can work with. I put a lot of garlic in this, so that's what all these little chunks are. So I do have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. I'm gonna put this in the oven uncovered for 15 to 20 minutes. And then after that, that's when we put the good stuff on the sandwiches. All right, in this bowl, I have like maybe 2 cups of shredded lettuce. I like a little more lettuce. It only calls for a cup, but I like a lot. And half of a cut up tomato. I'm not gonna measure any of this, so I'll leave the recipe down below. I'm not measuring. Parmesan cheese. My entire bag's worth. This is not in the recipe, but I'm gonna add a little bit of crushed red. Maybe that was a lot bit, I don't know. Also, banana peppers. These are from my garden. I'm just gonna add as much as I want. Just kind of a lot. With like a little bit of the juice. It calls for red wine vinegar, but I'm gonna add some of this juice instead. I'm also gonna add about a teaspoon-ish of Italian seasoning. I'm gonna add a little bit of onion powder. This isn't in the recipe, but I like flavor, so we're going with some black pepper. Again, I don't know if this is in the recipe. And a 1/4-ish cup of mayo. I'm gonna add a little bit more since I have more lettuce. And obviously, you all can adjust this to whatever you like. Because that's clearly what I did. Also salt. Let me add a little salt. do my best to take this off without it falling apart. All right, I got it off. Now, this is gonna be so messy. Now I have to get this back on this. Y'all are gonna have to ignore our dog in the background. He is doing this.
Yeah, mapping.
So, what do you think of these sandwiches?
Really good.
Do you like them over the original ones?
I like the original one more.
That's sad.
I think the other ones are just like, those are like hot and melty. And
Well, these were kind of hot, but you were doing stuff.
They're also cold meat. I'm saying they're good.
Yeah.
I just like the other ones just a little bit more.
Oh, that's okay.
But no, these are a good change up. If you like that, you want something different, these are definitely really good.
Yeah. Should we show the people my new camera? Do you want to show the people my new camera? My new, like, 1997 camera.
You're going
Hold it for me. Just don't get the... This is the new film camera. It's not on. Don't even... Yeah, she takes film and she goes underwater, which we won't be testing.
I would say no.
But...
That was my recommendation. Don't do that.
Yeah, she's my new camera. John really likes it.
It's cool that it's like a point and shoot, but it actually focuses, which is...
Yeah, it's actually pretty advanced technology for its time.
Yeah.
I actually don't know if it's from 1997. They started making them in, I think, 1994. If anyone is interested in it, I think it's a Canon SureShot A1. They make, I think, a W2 model, W1 model, W.
Sure it's not from 1981.
81?
No, I mean,
no, it's not. It's not from the 80s. It's not an 80s camera. It's from our childhood.
Yeah.
It's from the 90s. Anyway, if anyone's interested in fun cameras, that's a fun one. I got it from eBay. Anyway.
I'm getting all greasy.
That's okay. Don't take my battery out. John!
That's just saying if it said the date in there.
Oi.
I was trying to say.
Oi. You've always got to be messing with my stuff.
It's a battery. Not a nuclear fusion cell or something.
It might be.
Not like I'm opening up the back. That would be a bad idea.
Dude, please don't.
I know that.
Anyway, so the sandwiches are good.
The camera's cool.
The camera's cool. You could take a picture of it.
Because it's super.
I need to get rid of not get rid of the film, but I'm running a test roll of film through it, so I'm trying to get through it. But anyway, yep, Jonathan will probably see you guys in the next video. Like sandwiches. All right, bye.